Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, Justin Tuck, BayouOutdoor.com. I want to show you this Cherokee Gray Wolf Black Label toy hauler. Power tongue jack, got the juice pack, diamond plate shield. Black Label means fiberglass exterior, pass through, magnetic, 30 amp, one entry to your bedroom, outdoor kitchen, ice maker, mini fridge, sink, 2 top burner stove. Tire pressure monitors. You got your TV hookup, waterproof marine grade speakers, power awning with the LED lights, solid entry steps. It's got the ramp door patio system, very, very cool. Got the drapes, backup camera prep, LED lights at night. You walk in, you got the fold down bed, that'll make it to a king bed. You got your real countertops, electric fireplace, oven, 10 cubic foot residential fridge, battery disconnect because it's already got solar panel on the roof. Walk through bathroom, glass shower, you got your sink over here, porcelain toilet, got your queen bed, storage underneath, TV hookups. This baby is nice. 15 BTU air conditioned. The solar panel will run everything except the AC and the microwave. $24,995. Come see us, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter or BayouOutdoor.com. Justin Tuck, come and see me.